We are in the last week of July 2020 and people are still losing their contacts. Wow. Today I'm going to go deep and show you all the major things that you're going to need to do about merge contact, sync contact, save contact, transfer contact from one platform to the other, and eliminate that word. Oh, I just lost another contact. So if you're ready, let's go in there. Welcome back to Smart Deport. This video of ours have been helping a lot of people. Just look at the comments. But when I walked into office last week and I saw someone still writing down their contacts on paper to save it, I knew it's time to do Google Contacts 101. So we borrowed her phone and we're going to use this to show you all the basics of Google Contacts and how to never lose contacts again. Now this is all contacts. You're going to touch the three menu at the top right, and then you're going to go to contacts to display, and then you're going to show you which contacts is really showing when you go to your contacts. As you can see, it's set to all contacts. Let's go to Google accounts now, and then you see there are contacts also saved to Google accounts. So let's move further again, contact to display. Let's go to the SIM one, which is an MTN SIM, and then you can see also that contacts are actually saved in the SIM. So many people have contacts scattered around every now and then, but the first thing we're going to address is the default location where you save your contacts. Now first of all, you have to make sure you move it to your Google account. As you can see here, it is set to SIM and the MTN SIM. So we're going to move it to Google account and we're going to save continuously every other contact to our Google account. That way it will be automatically synced to the cloud, and that brings about transfer, copy, and merge all contacts to Google account. Okay, so since we have done that, we're going to copy every other contact to Google account using import and export. So we're going to start with SIM 1, and then we're going to choose destination as Google account. We're going to now go to the select all the contacts in the SIM, and then we're going to tap on the right OK on the top, and it will copy all those contacts. As you can see now, it has copied them to the Google account. Now we're still going to go back and do the same for the SIM2, the phone storage, or any other place there is contacts in the phone. We're going to make sure you move all of them down to Google Contact. So see the destination, Google Contact, location from we're copying from is from the phone. So what we're going to do, we go next, and then from there we select all the contacts in the phone also, and then we're going to move it. Don't worry, there's going to be duplicates, but I'm going to show you how to deal with that. So we've copied every contact from both the phone, the SIM, to our Google Contacts, with also the contacts already in the Google account. Now when you do that right now, you see that one name, this Archangel Joy, is like 6 or 7. We shall sync contacts now to the cloud, and Google Contacts will automatically remove the duplicates for us. All these duplicates, I'll show you. First of all, you're going to go to your settings, accounts, and then check whether your Google account is syncing turned on. Now data is not turned on, so let's turn on data. As you can see right now, the contacts already started syncing to the cloud, and once we make sure that we are finished syncing, and we'll go to the cloud right now, contacts.google.com, and then we're going to carry out some function there. As you can see now, as it started syncing, now you're seeing the duplicates. So we're going to go check to confirm that the setting is still syncing. As you can see, new contacts are coming in, and let's go back to our sync settings, account setting, and let's see. As you can see, contact is still syncing. So let's also refresh the browser, Google Contacts in the browser. We have 176 right now, so let's refresh the page so we can actually confirm that it is syncing. Now it has moved to 416 from 176, so it means that the Google Contacts is actually syncing. Before we deal with duplicates, we now have 39 duplicates. Before we deal with duplicates, we have to make sure that sync has finished. As you see now, contact is still syncing, so we're going to refresh the Google Contacts in the browser to see whether there is any other improvement. So as you can see right now, we have 58 duplicates and 450 contacts. So it shows that the sync is going on. So it has not changed now. So we're going to add one single contact, and then let's see whether it will also sync to the cloud. So we at 450. If it ends up being 451, then we'll know that sync is almost done, and we can go on and deal with the duplicates. Refresh the page again. As you can see, we now have 62 duplicates and the contact is now 451. So it means that sync is done because it just added one single contact. So let's go to it. Google Contact automatically gives you option to deal with duplicates, and you can check them one by one, see the number, the details, check them one by one, see the number, the details, check them one by one, see the number, the details. So you can do one, or normally I just do match all, and it automatically match the same name, the same numbers, match them together to become one. It's automatically done by Google Contact, so you don't need to really worry about anything. So as you can see right now, our contact is down to 152, and all those duplication that is in the local is no longer in the cloud. So once it has been dealt with in the cloud, we're going to make sure that our contact sync is on. It will automatically bring it down into your phone and remove all the duplicates. Now that our contact is set, we can now transfer it to any platform we want by going to the menu and export. Now there are options here: Google CVS, Outlook CVS, VCAD for iOS. VCAD also still works for Android. So there are other options if you're actually using the PC browser. But whichever platform you want to transfer it to, your Outlook in the office, to your iPhone, or to another phone, you can just save it, and then you just click on save. It will just download all your contacts, and that's just so easy. So you can choose to rename the contact to whatever you want, and with the date you did that, and it could be a very good backup for you. Now let's go check our local contacts in the phone, and as you can see right now, the sync has already been carried out. All the duplicates are all gone. And so you can see the same thing on the Google Cloud is the same thing we have right inside the local phone. And this is very important. You go back and confirm that your sync is done. As you can see, the sync is done, everything is up to date, and you have your contacts saved without anything missing or broken. So that will be about it. Let me hear from you in the comment section, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace out. Subscribe. I'll see you.